Okay. Oh, my spoon is all messy. Mine too. Okay. Spin.
Evelyn's turn.
Oh. We both got shaving cream. Evelyn. A blue. I get blue. So I got. There's no way. So I have to spin again. 3. I got rainbow sequins again. Even though Got 2. You got no 2, so spin again. There's 4 still. Oh, I used that. Spin again. 5. Oh. So. Blue. Okay, so for the last round, we are going to do rock, paper, scissors. So you get to do this last one. Ah! Okay, see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Next. I got 2 packs of those. Okay. So now we're gonna mix it all up. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Mix. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. It's like I got all the rainbow stuff.
Yeah, I got so pretty, so much, and I got
the shaving cream's taking over.
Yeah, and
is the shaving cream taking over?
No.
Well, oh, the blue glitter's taking over.
Yeah.
See, look, mine's taking over.
Your shaving cream is. That's because you put a lot in.
Yeah. You only put a little. You only did 3 scoops.
Yeah. Well, actually, I did more than 3 scoops.
So, did you do like 6?
No.
This is not turning into slime.
Well, mine's getting like a little bit harder to mix. I'm getting fluffier. Oh, I got it.
Hey guys, this is how it turned out. Evelyn's is like, we're just gonna keep stirring, and if it turns into slime, and it's like goopy stuff, but mine is almost to slime.
Yeah, and mine turned out this good.
And come here. That's right.
So it turned out like a lot of activator. Her activator is like taking over, and my
no. It's shaving cream is taking over.
Yeah, the shaving cream
and the foam balls.
Yeah. Well,
it's so pretty.
My foam balls and like my blue glitter is taking over.
Cause see, look at my slime.
Yeah, look at my slime. It's so cool and it's awesome. I love it because it's like this awesome color. And it has a lot of foam balls.
Who do you think won, me or Evelyn? Comment down below. Subscribe to see our new videos. Bye. See you next time.